Most people get this wrong. They think FlowPay is just another payday app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers more than quick cash. FlowPay combines early access to earned wages, flexible installment options, and helpful budgeting tools in one platform. When used wisely, it can be a smart way to manage short-term cash flow without the high costs of traditional payday loans. Here's how it works. FlowPay allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller payments over a few weeks. Instead of interest, the app charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction. On top of that, FlowPay includes spending alerts, repayment reminders, and optional budgeting tools to help you stay on top of your finances. The downside? Overusing FlowPay can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up, and relying too heavily on it may create a cycle of dependency. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access money you can realistically repay. 2. Set repayment reminders in the app or your calendar. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who is FlowPay for? If you have a steady income and occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases, FlowPay can be useful. If your income is unpredictable or repayment discipline is weak, you may end up paying more in fees than the benefit it provides. In conclusion, FlowPay in 2026 is a flexible and convenient tool for short-term cash management, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a helpful convenience, track your fees, and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.